Articles. And an are used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. Example: I need a phone. The is used for specific objects or objects that both the speaker and listener know. Articles are very short words, an, and the. But these little words can cause great big problems. Many of the world's languages do not have articles at all, and for speakers of these languages, articles can be quite difficult to learn. In this video, we're going to introduce some of the basic rules for the use of articles. We'll also look at when to use a versus when to use an. This is easier. Are you ready? Good luck. How to use articles in English. A or an and the. A and an are used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. Example: I need a phone. The is used for specific objects or objects that both the speaker and listener know. Example: Can you give me the books on the table? And an are used the first time we introduce an object. Example: I saw a movie last night. The is used when we mention the object again. Example: the movie is based on a real-life incident. And an are used as synonyms for the number 1. Example: they bought a computer. The is used before plural countries or other plural regions and bodies of water. Example: the Netherlands. And an are used to indicate one of a group. Example: she is a singer. The is used before certain adjectives to give a plural meaning. Example: the rich. When to use no article. Used when we talk about non-specific things in plural. Storms are raging all over the country. Used to speak about things in general. Mexican food is spicy. Used for most countries. France. Used for states. Alaska. Used for provinces. Alberta. Used for cities. London. Used for meals. Breakfast. Used for sports and games. Tennis. Used for planets. Jupiter. Used for names of people, books, and plays, unless it is part of the title. Romeo and Juliet. Used for lakes. Lake Victoria. Used for mountains. Mount Everest. Used for single islands. Jamaica. Lots of English learners try to get by without really learning these, but that's not a good idea. A problem with the plan and the problem with the plan mean two different things. Practice the examples in this video and you'll be off to a good start.